cameraman.
Doggers, today we have our good friends here. B-Dog, Legend, and E-Dog. Let's show them. So over here we got Legend, right here. Bring this boy. Then we got B-Dog here.
I'm camera shy, don't show me.
Okay, and then we got E-Dog here. Alright, yeah. Well, let's do this. Yeah!
Do it for the vlog. Come on, do it for the vlog. Come on, do it for the vlog, bud.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Come on. For the vlog. Oh! That was scary. Let's do it one more time. Woo!
That's all. Hey boys, we're just going uptown. We didn't really film much here at Legend and B-Dog's house. Why? I don't know. But yeah. So we got something funny for you guys planned. So yeah, see ya and bye.
Okay, we're gonna try and get kicked out of the store.
Hey, what are you two doing in here? That's not allowed. Get out of here. Yeah, you two. That's not allowed. Come on. Sorry. What are you guys doing? You can't play like that in the store. Get out of here. Sorry.
The dollar store sucks.
Hey. Run.
Guys, I need help. So, if you look and subscribe, I will get sprayed by the hose. You're already getting. Okay, you guys subscribe. That's good. No.
Right, isn't it so peaceful, eh?
Yeah.
Come on, more. That's Evan right there. Where the hell's Owen? And look at him now.
Guys, if you subscribe 5 times, I will get sprayed. That's 1 subscribe, 2 subscribe, 3 subscribe, 4 subscribe, 5. Ready? Woo! For subscribers, yo! For subscribers, yo! Okay.
Guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. We'll really appreciate it. And see you tomorrow.
Show
'Cause
some
it's every
report,
day,
boys.